Hey guys, we're going to talk about something new today. It's called ordinal numbers. All right, so first of all, what are ordinal numbers? They are numbers like first, second, and third. And let me show you with some examples. All right, so look right here. So we have the word first, second, and third. And these are positional numbers. So this is the first word, this is the second word, and this is the third word. All right, so we're going to look up here in the box. Which picture is first? Right, the rainbow, because it is in the front. It is the first one that we see. Which one is second? Right, the pencil, because it is the second one that we see. All right, and which one is third? Right, the apple. The apple is third. So first we have the rainbow, second we have the pencil, and third we have the apple. All right, let's do one more example. All right, so which one is first? Is it the elephant, the jellyfish, or the owl? Right, the elephant is first. All right, which one is second? Is it the jellyfish or the owl? It's the jellyfish. All right, and then lastly, the owl is in third place. So first is the elephant is in first place, the jellyfish is in second place, and the owl is in third place. All right, guys, see you later.